In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for marketing teams. If you're part of a marketing team looking to streamline your project management process, Clickup offers a robust, versatile platform that can be tailored to your needs. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Clickup website. If you're not already familiar with Clickup, it's an all-in-one app designed to manage everything from simple to complex tasks. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the Clickup login page. Now, if you prefer the convenience of using your Google account to log in, click on Sign In with Google. This method is quick and secure, eliminating the need to remember yet another password. Select your Google account from the list that appears. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you choose the correct one associated with your Clickup workspace. Once logged in, navigate to the three little dots or ellipsis icon, usually found in the upper part of your dashboard. This icon opens up additional menu options. Click on it, and then select Templates from the drop-down menu. Templates are pre-made setups that can significantly enhance your team's productivity by providing a structured framework for different tasks and projects. Next, you'll want to click on Browse Templates. This will allow you to explore various templates that can be adopted for different aspects of your marketing efforts. In our case, find and select the Marketing Campaign Management template. This template is tailored to assist marketing teams in organizing and managing campaigns efficiently. After selecting the desired template, you'll see an option to Use Template. Click on it to begin incorporating it into your own ClickUp environment. At this point, you can rename the template if you like. A more descriptive name can make it easier for your team to recognize its purpose at a glance. Once you're satisfied with the name, confirm by clicking Use Template again. Now that the template is successfully added to your workspace, it's displayed in your list of active templates. Click on the template to begin using it. This specific template is equipped with task lists that can be customized to fit your campaign needs. At any moment, you can edit the tasks included in the template. This flexibility allows you to tailor each component, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your team's workflow and the goals of your marketing campaigns. These are the basic steps to set up and customize ClickUp for your marketing team's needs. As you continue exploring, you'll find numerous features and integrations that can further enhance team collaboration and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of ClickUp.